All right, in this video, we're going to be doing the conclusion of a batch of Grape Pyment that I made 13 months ago. So this is the 13-month taste testing. Kind of forgot it for a month, so here we go. Grape Pyment is really very simple. Grape juice, honey, a little bit of water, a little bit of yeast, and that's it. Ingredients done. You can find the ingredients in the original video, of which there'll be a link at the conclusion of this video, so you can find that one if you wish to peruse it and find out how this was made. We're going to try and keep this one fairly short and simple. We're going to go ahead and crack this one open. That went pretty smoothly. All right, a couple of observations. DIY fermentation, Grape Pyment, born 5/20/21. AVB came in at 10.76%, so it's pretty low AVB, and it's been pasteurized. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Up, 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 up. Clarity, very clear, no sediment at all. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I mean, when I was first starting out, making a grape juice wine was pretty straight, pretty simple, and pretty good. So I decided, okay, if I can do that pretty well, then let me go ahead and try making it with honey, make a mead out of it, or pyment as it's called. General observations: no smell of alcohol at all at 10.76%. Of course, it's not going to be very much, but nonetheless, there's nothing really on the nose that gives you that opinion. Again, it's really clear. I like that. No pectin enzyme, no nothing. Just basically just let time settle all the particulates out, and there you go. So, what does it taste like? It's smooth. I like how that went down. 13 months, there's no real harshness, as occasionally occurs. Did not have to use any acid blend, well, which I wouldn't use anyway, but didn't have to use the lemon substitute. This was basically just straight up juice, honey, water, yeast. And that turned out quite well. I think the acidity is pretty balanced, in my opinion. It's kind of a soft finish. Which is what I think the honey provides. Just gives it an easy softness. The honey is barely detectable. I mean, really, if you didn't know that this was a mead, you wouldn't know that there was honey in it at all. It's not thin by any means. It has already been bag sweetened. Of course, I've gone through my normal process, and this was 9 months ago, so I have no idea what it tastes like between then and the time I bottled it. But yeah, the usual process was followed between the obligatory degassing, the bag sweetening, the taking the final hydrometer reading before all of that, and then bottling, pasteurizing it, and then bottling it. All these steps, of course, you can find in the my playlist under winemaking operations. But overall, and I want to try and keep this one fairly short, I kind of like this. It's got good body. I like that. You don't feel like you're drinking a thin wine. I like the flavor. The grape flavor has been toned down from the original bottle of grape juice, but you can tell that you are drinking a grape product. Grape Pyment. The only thing I'm really going to say about this Grape Pyment is that, yeah, I like it, and this is going to be one of the ones that I'll keep in my repertoire of having something on hand, generally at all times. I probably will go beyond the one batch that I normally would make, just so I can have a good supply of this. I wouldn't mind breaking this out when I've got friends and family over, as a good representative of a product of my winemaking abilities. I'm still a novice, but this is good. I like this. Yeah. What is the word? Yes. I remember now. Yummy. All right. So again, if you like what you see here, please click on the subscribe and notify buttons. Better yet, become a member. Better yet, become a Patreon. Show this channel some love, because honey is not inexpensive. It costs to make production values for this channel. So again, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.